We carefully drop the seeds into the prepared furrow, making sure they are spaced evenly. Then we gently cover.
The time-lapse begins with a macro shot focusing on the rich, dark, moist soil as a small, water being gently applied to grapevines in a vineyard. These tiny buds represent the very beginning of the grapevine's annual cycle, meticulously developing along the delicate shoots.
Small, unripe grape clusters appearing on vines.
By trimming the excess growth, we ensure the sunlight reaches the grapes and the vine focuses its energy on the fruit. It's delicate work.
The green grapes are slowly increasing in size through a natural time-lapse effect, swelling in the warm sunlight.
As the grapes mature, they undergo a process called verisome, where the chlorophyll is replaced by anthocyanins.
Fully ripe grape clusters hanging on vines. Morning dewdrops on fresh grape clusters.
Baskets filled only with grapes.
The process begins as fresh grapes are delivered to the conveyor belt. They immediately pass under
Our state-of-the-art optical sorting and washing system ensures that only the cleanest, highest quality grapes make it to the next stage.
Here, the workers meticulously sort the harvest by hand, ensuring only the finest grapes are selected for the premium crates.
Damaged grapes removed, only grapes shown.
The grapes are fed into the crusher destemmer. The rollers gently break the skin, releasing the juice.
Fresh grape juice flowing from crushed grapes.
As you can see, the murky juice enters the filtration system here, and after passing through the membranes, it is
for specimen. As you can see in this extreme macro shot, the pure grape juice exhibits a rich, velvety texture.
The aluminum caps are precisely crimped onto the bottles, creating a tamper-evident and hygienic seal in a sterile environment. The grapes are rapidly broken down by the stirring paddles. As the mixture bubbles intensely, it thickens into the rich, vibrant jam you see here.
The texture is incredibly viscous, clinging to the spoo. It's a perfect balance of smooth jelly.
We're now ready to ladle the hot jam into the sterilized jars, making sure to leave about ½ an inch of headspace at the top.
To make raisins, ripe grapes are spread out on large mats in the vineyard. The intense sun naturally dries.
Grapes are left to dry naturally in the sun. a process that concentrates their sugars and transforms them into raisins.
In this macro shot, the intricate, wrinkled texture is clear. The drying process concentrates the sugars, sometimes causing
juice, jam, and raisins packed together.
Our selection highlights the versatility of the grape, featuring everything from rich, oaked wines to delicate
Bottled grape juice on shelves.
Try this red one, it's incredibly sweet.
Oh wow, that bursts with flavor. These are the freshest I've ever had.
We're adding the raisins now. Folding them in gently ensures they are evenly dispersed throughout the oatmeal dough, adding that perfect chewiness.
The Vineyards reveals a spectrum of colors. From the deep purples and vibrant crimsons to the bright greens, each variety.
Shiny, fresh grapes close up.
Clear focus on grapes only, no other crops.
Ending shot with beautiful grape clusters.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to ProdxLab and turn on notifications.